and I want to show you guys a warm-up exercise feel that I incorporate into my own drumming. All right, first off, the root of this exercise comes out of the rudimentary exercise, the Swiss Army Triplet. The Swiss Army Triplet is a triplet-based rudiment, and it starts, the breakdown of it is a right flam, a right tap, a left tap. All right? You don't alternate, just keep that consistent. All right? It'll sound like something like this, snare form. So in the groove, it's a 6-8 meter groove, kind of just like a swing. All right, within that 6-8 groove, I incorporate the Swiss Army Triplet. That's with the hands. With the feet, it sounds a little bit like this, and I'll slow it down so you guys can see what I'm doing here. All right. This is a good exercise because, for one, everybody needs to know the rudiments. Rudiments are important because they improve our growth, and they teach us how to be creative. You learn a groove, you learn a rudiment, and you learn how to apply it to the drum set. And that makes it fun as well. So you're having fun while you're learning, and as well, it strengthens your hands. It strengthens your left hand, which is the weak hand for most drummers. Like myself, I'm still learning as well. So it's an all-around just good exercise. To just improve, to make our drumming just a little bit more creative in our own. So I'll play it again. I'll play it a little bit faster and with the kick as well, with the hands and the kick. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I had a little bit of fun with that. I challenge you as well to go and make it your own. Put a little spice into it. Go around the kit with it a little bit as well. And this is one of my favorite rudiments, so I kind of have fun with it a little bit. And I use it in fills as well. So say we're in a rock band and we want to end a song. So I'll probably do something like this.